fellas, I got a little something to show you. Okay. This is brand new GoPro 10 black. Alright. This is a media mod. It's all modded up. This case goes over it. It's actually made to mod it. Okay. Take a look. This is a C port. That's for the nifty little mic. Okay. And this is actually HDMI micro. That plugs in. Other end looks like this. Self-explanatory, okay? HDMI. Now you unscrew this. It's something different now. That's it. One hand, look at me. Pretty good with one hand. I mean, you know, whatever. It's powered. Come on back with it. This is that Men in Black shit, fellas. Look. You put it on. That's on that John Gotti shit. But anyway, most important part. Video capture card. This right here. Listen here. I plan on turning this right here into a webcam. And this is damn near by far the best one you're going to buy in the market. I don't care what it is. This is going to smoke some shit. Bomb. Okay? Now, listen up. See this? Video capture card. You can plug this USB into your computer. Just for instance, take an Xbox or PlayStation 5. Put the HDMI there. Your damn screen on your computer will turn in. You'll be able to use the screen. That being said, peace out, guys. I'm out of here. Stay tuned. I'll give you more. Peace.